Hey guys, it's Etsy Masters here, back for another video. And today I just wanted to show you some of the Santa Fe we're in. So we basically live in these adobe houses and we're on the riverbed where you can basically go down. Let me guys show you. Okay, you guys probably don't see it okay, this is getting, okay, you guys probably see it now. Did you see that? Yeah, Okay, let me go down deeper. Okay, so I'm like really close to the river right now. I wonder if you guys can hear it. I'm falling. Okay, I'm gonna get my hands on my hands and knees. Okay, so now I'm super close to it. I hope you guys see it now. Okay, you guys probably see it. Yeah, there's the water back there. There's just water. So, I'm just gonna step on some of the stones. Beep. Okay, I'm gonna go out. Dad, come on. Okay, whatever. So I'm gonna go down a little down here. And whoa, it is a little steep. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little more down. This is kind of risky. There's also a waterfall here so I can make these like little shorts of like what we see. Because we're gonna go to this place called Meow Wolf today, but it didn't work out. So here's the water. Whoa! I smelled the water. Do you guys see it? Yeah. You guys probably saw it. I'm just gonna go on the rocks. Wee! Okay, so I'm on one of the rocks. Let me leap back up here. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
I'm still doing it. So I'm up on the rock.
What's that?
Dad, I'm still doing it.
Oh, go ahead.
Whoa, I almost fell. It's like a little waterfall here. Yeah, you guys can see the water. And then water here. And then here. So this is Santa Fe, and we were just at so we have this flat roof house called an adobe because like we don't have triangle roofs because it hardly ever rains here. So like we basically rented a house here. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that 3-minute video of what you learned. You probably didn't learn anything, but I just hope you enjoyed. Bye.